doing it. It's gonna grow.
Where are you going?
It's gonna grow.
You're gonna back up and it's gonna grow?
Yeah. It grew.
Is it growing?
No. Not yet. Are you still back?
Poke at it and see if it'll like stretch out.
I think that we had to like take this off.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud?
here we come.
I think that we have to cut this off.
Oh, you think so?
Put back in.
Hold on, mommy's gonna do something real quick. She's gonna help it grow.
Why?
Because I think it might need some help.
Oh. I'm gonna put this in here.
You're gonna put that back in there?
Yeah. And it's gonna
What?
grow. And I got gold. It's this suit.
Okay, here you go, Kings.
Thank you.
Oh, gee, oh! That's
What?
really wet.
What?
It's okay. Here, put this one in there.
In there?
Wait for it. Daddy's gonna
Okay.
make a movie.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, oh,
Whoa, look at it go.
what?
Is it growing?
Yeah. And it's growing. It growed. It growed.
Yeah, it grew.
See if it grows more if you put it back.
What?
Oh.
What's wrong?
The bull knuckle. Oh, grow.
Yeah, there it goes.
Whoa, look how big it is now.
It's turning into a tube.
Put it back in there, put it back in there.
Stretch it. Can you stretch it?
Where's that house?
That's Remy.
Where's Mommy?
Hey, put it back in then. Can you stretch it?
I did.
Oh,
Where's Mommy?
he's behind me.
He's not gonna get. It's big enough. See it? It's changing a tube, dude.
It changed into a tube.
Dude.
Yeah. Oh, see it?
Yeah.
Can you unpeel it right there? Open it up.
Can you open it?
What's in it?
In it?
What's on the rag?
Right? Nothing is another.
Okay, better put it back in. Stretch it out some more.
Just some more? Okay, I'm going to.
Oh, it's getting big. Whoa, keeps getting bigger.
Remember, it was just a ball?
What? What?
It was just a ball.
What's in here?
It's a towel.
Towel?
What's on the towel?
On towel?
What's on that towel?
A little. Where's little?
What is it?
A ball. Put back in there. And black.
A ball in black?
Yeah.
A baseball?
Yeah.
And baseball, guys.
Baseball bat, guys. I just did.
Can you say thank you to Grandma in the camera?
Right here.
This camera. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.